Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to see a very cool tango step. It's a sandwich followed by a parada.
Please watch the video many times because you will see a lot of tips for the sandwich, how to put the feet, the knees, the heels, how to lead into that, and also going to the parada, the stop.
So if you're ready, let's go to the dance floor and let's start working. Quick note before we continue.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you can see our tango school online tango training.
Just simply go to miriamleonardotango.com and you are going to find a lot of videos downloadable, and also you can have unlimited access to all of them being a member of our website. Tango training for followers, tango training for leaders by themselves, solo training, also for couples, milonga, vals, choreographies so you can practice and follow along. We have playlists, tango music playlists, a lot of things.
So one more time, the webpage is miriamleonardotango.com, and now we go back to the video.
Thank you so much for being all the way until the end of the video.
See you on the next one.
Bye, take care.